It's Freebie Friday. And today, instead of getting a PDF, you are going to get a collection of colouring book assets. Now, I don't know if you're of an age, I don't even know if they still do them, where when you were a kid, you could get these things. It was a sheet of transparent stickers, and you'd put them on a scene, a background scene, and you'd make your own image, I suppose. I had one with from the UK. There was a little character called Gordon the Gopher, and it was a cowboy scene, a western scene, and you put all these stickers all over it, and you made your own unique image. This is that, but it's for KDP colouring books. The images you can see on the right hand side of the screen are all made up from separate elements. So for the top image, the background is an asset: the grass, the cat, the boy, the girl, the cloud, and the house. They're all individual assets that I've put together to make this unique scene. Now, why is this better than just generating an image straight away in ChatGPT or Midjourney? Well, you'll find out in the video. But, long story short, AI-generated colouring images can be a little bit complex, a little bit mismatch, a little bit rubbish. What I've done with these is I've generated individual elements. I've upscaled them as PNGs, and also I have turned them into vectors, so you'll get 2 copies of each asset. So they're very high quality. I've cleaned them up so there's no mistakes in the images. And finally, you can move them around to make whatever scene you see fit. So this folder of assets is completely free for you in return for watching the vid. There's a link below. Click it, it'll bring you to the product. You can put a discount code in there. The discount code is given to you at some point during the video. Not at the very end, because some people just skip the end and get the file without watching the vid. You naughty, naughty people. Watch the video, it's not very long. The idea is that you can also use this folder of assets as the start of a library. You can create your own individual assets from Midjourney or ChatGPT and add them to this folder, so you've got an even bigger possibility when it comes to creating images. And of course, the way you set up your page will be different to the way everyone else sets up the pages. So you can create unique, high quality colouring book images in seconds. And of course, with this folder you get all the resale rights, commercial rights. Use them as you please. So that's it for the introduction. Please do like, comment and subscribe. It really does help me out, and the more you interact with this video, the more inclined I am to do more like this. So enjoy this file, have fun. So when you download and extract the zip file, this is what you'll be confronted with. Just a normal folder, and it is full of colouring book assets. So the beauty of the file that you're going to download is that when you use AI to create colouring book images, it can be a bit hit and miss. So we're in ChatGPT now. I'll just say create a colouring book image suitable for children, a cat. And what often happens, if you get a decent image at all, is that it's quite convoluted and complex. There's a lot more detail in there than there should be. So there, it's a perfectly fine image of a cat, but then there's all these daft little bits that you might not want. Now, certainly, by all means, download this image and use it, but it just, to me, it doesn't sit well as a good colouring book image. The elements are off the page, it's not centerised, it's just not a good image. With the file you've downloaded, it's kind of like a build your own scene. So here we are in Affinity Publisher, and when you extract the file, this is what you'll get. A folder full of colouring book assets. And you'll see I've divided them into different settings and different sections. There's backgrounds, foregrounds and midgrounds. And then we're getting into the subjects. And we'll start just by building a scene. Now we'll view the extra large, well, maybe it's not that big, eh? We'll view the large icons just so you can see what sort of images you have to build your scene. Now the idea is that you'll use this to build your own scenes, but you'll also add to it as well. Once you find a good image that you want to use yourself, you'll add it to this folder, and it's there when you need it, so you can pull it into your scenes. So there are a few to choose from. What I want to do is just drag some things onto the page, and we'll make a scene. So we'll have a background, we'll have a cloud, we'll have a girl, we'll have a house, we'll have a bit of grass. So these are all the PNGs I'm using, by the way. The SVGs you can use as well. Oh, I didn't mean to pull that back in again. So there we go. Very simply, we've made a quick scene which is unique to you. No one else will have this scene. AI won't imagine it because there's too many separate components. You might be able to get... In fact, well, let's find out. So there we go. I've just put that prompt into ChatGPT. You can see it there. Colouring book image, a girl in a field, a house and a cloud in the sky. And this is what it's generated. It's not bad, but the house is coming off the side of the page. There's something there which isn't quite fitted in. The flowers are... Whoops. The flowers are a little bit naff. There is a faint something or other there. There's a big gap around the door. The windows are a bit off and the clouds look a bit poor. It's not a bad image, but it looks like a standard image that's been generated by AI. And that's what you want to get away from. So with a few clicks, you make yourself a completely original colouring book image that doesn't look like it's been mashed together by AI. And as you can see, there are loads of different elements included in the file. We can make an alien scene by pulling on the alien background, and let's just drag some aliens on. And again, in just a few seconds, we've made ourselves a unique space theme, a unique space themed colouring page. And as you can look, and as you can see, there's other elements in there. There's monsters, there's other backgrounds, there's Christmas themes in there, dinosaurs. It's just a collection of images for you to build your own colouring book scenes, but also it's a foundation for you to build on. You can create your own elements in AI. You could even download some from Creative Fabrica. You can go to Creative Fabrica and get other colouring book elements and add them to your library and use them in your compositions. So you're not just taking something that everyone's got access to and putting it out as is. You're using it to enhance the library you've already got. Or of course you can use AI and generate more images. So that is it for today's video. The discount code for this brilliant book is just simply discount. DISCOUNT. Click the link, put the discount in, get it for out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.